Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video showing how to blend these dots, and I actually reblended it with less dots. These are going to be stitched with leather if you didn't watch the first one. But I thought I'd show how to make it maybe more perfect and easy. So let's nudge the outside out of the way. Our inside is in the center of the page, I feel pretty sure. No, it's not. So let's go back. No, it is in the center of the page. It is in the center of the page because this is bigger. So we're going to leave it right there. We don't want to mess that up. And we're going to fix one side of this. So what you have to do is select it all, go up to Object, break the blend apart, and while you still got it selected, go up to Group and Ungroup. Now, like I said, we only have to fix half of this. And for the video, we're actually going to just take that one out of the way. We're going to move, maybe try not to do that. Try to just grab the outside and move it to the outside. Maybe move this one up to the inside. And there's a way you could reblend this perfectly. Matter of fact, you could just get these two and reblend them. You know, you could actually, but we're just going to manually move them a little bit. So you kind of get the idea, and then put that one, put this, if you ever see that you move something, move it back. And then we're going to put that one on the corner, this one on, and I'm not trying to be perfect. And if you watch, I'm just doing one side. So let's put this one on the corner. We could move this one over, and this is how you could blend it between, just by starting a new blend between these two. But we got it pretty good. Now we left the top one off for a reason. We're going to take a 2-point line and hold down the control button and then hit P. And we're going to delete everything on this side of the page. We couldn't delete that one in the center because it's well, it just wouldn't work. I'm going to move my center dot out of the way. And I'm going to group this all together, Control G. And then I'm going to Control D using this handle right here and move it over. Now I only got the dots, I didn't get the line, but that's really good. That's really all we want. Well, no, it's not good because it didn't, I'm going to go back to I know I did. So I must have not have got the whole tree. Control G, Control D, and then move it over. Wow. You know what it is? It's because it's a blend still. No, I broke it apart. Tell you what, I'm going to go to Object and break curve apart. Now grab it. And see, I can see something over here. I got a dot, that's what it is. I left one dot because I can tell by the handles. All right, Control G, Control D, and move it over. And then we don't really need the lines anyway, so I'm not going to worry about the lines. And I'm going to get my first dot on the very top of the tree and put it to the top of the tree. Now our cut lines are equal. Now I'm going to just grab the whole thing, take Object, Group, and ungroup them all. Take our line, and I wouldn't delete it, but I'm going to nudge it out of the way in case something happened. Grab that line, nudge it out of the way in case something happened. Now just nudge this thing back twice, and you have your cut lines are more symmetrical, more even. I could have done a little bit better job on the bottom, and you could have done the sides too. I really. Sometimes I go too far, but let's just do this real quick. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. So what we could do is grab those 10 and delete them. Grab that one, hold down the Shift key, grab that one, go up to Effects, Blend, and let's blend 10 times. Okay, what has happened there, if you'll notice, that it changed the blend. So this is kind of a good lesson. See the arrow of this one is going up on that side? And the arrow on this one is on this side? That's what causes your blend problem sometimes. So what we can do is grab this guy and mirror it horizontally. Now let's take the shape tool. Now the arrow's on the right side, I think just like this one. Yes, they're the same. So now they should blend perfectly. So let's grab those two and blend. Hold down the shift key, blend 10 times. And there you have a really symmetrical bottom in stitches. And you could do the same thing to the whole, the whole thing when you had the path. You could start there and there and blend that on that path and just have 3. Anyway, I truly hope that helped, and thank you for watching